Now coming to the calculation of transition capacitance, let's say CT ट्रांजिशन कैपेसिटेंस या स्पेस चार्ज कैपेसिटेंस या डिप्लीशन रीजन कैपेसिटेंस या फिर बैरियर कैपेसिटेंस, ये सब एक ही है। सो ट्रांजिशन कैपेसिटेंस को कैसे कैलकुलेट करें? सो वी नो सिंपल फॉर्मूला ऑफ कैपेसिटेंस इक्वल टू एप्सिलॉन A अपॉन D। लेट्स से दिस इज अ कैपेसिटेंस, so D is the distance between the plates, is the cross sectional area of the capacitor, is the cross sectional area, and epsilon is the absolute permittivity between these plates, whatever the material, so उसकी permittivity absolute permittivity this epsilon. But in case of transition capacitance we have a diode and we have a depletion region. So for the plates we will considering, because here we have unmobile charges at P and N side, so P side negative because holes are pushed away and opposite of that ions will come. Similarly electrons pushed away, positive ions will come up. So the distance between plates will be the depletion region width. So depletion region width will be the distance between the plates, and epsilon will be the absolute permittivity of semiconductor medium, and A equals to the cross sectional area of PN junction. Area of PN junction. So we know that what is the formula of depletion layer width. So depletion layer width can be written as root of 2 epsilon upon Q into the built-in potential voltage. So whatever the built-in potential voltage will be here, this is the VBI, 1 upon acceptor atoms impurities at P side. Here we will impure with acceptor impurities, and donor atom impurities will be added over N side. So this is the formula of depletion layer. So C equal to epsilon A upon width of depletion layer, and A is the cross-sectional area of PN junction. So let's say P side impurities, P side semiconductor is heavily doped. So let's say acceptor atom impurities is greater than the donor atom impurity. So we can neglect 1 upon Na, and we can say width of depletion region equals to root of 2 absolute permittivity of semiconductor into built-in potential upon Q, electronic charge 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb, into 1 upon Nd is left. So we can write donor atom impurities over here. So we can replace C. Epsilon is the absolute permittivity of semiconductor, A is the cross-sectional area, and upon depletion layer, so we will replace it over here. Q, Nd, so this root and this double of the square root can be cancelled out, and epsilon will come inside, and this give rise to epsilon Q N, sorry, this is Nd upon 2 built-in potential voltage. So this is the transition capacitance value. So coming on to the final CT value will be equals to root of, sorry I missed A over here, so root of A. So we can separate the constants to one side. So epsilon is a constant, Q is a constant, and 2 is a constant, and the variables can be the donor impurities and the built-in potential voltage. So this is the final formula of the transition capacitance. So we know that what is A is the cross-sectional area of PN junction, and epsilon is the absolute permittivity of PN junction, and VBI is the built-in potential voltage. So this is the final formula of transition capacitance.